Did you notice that the current business sentiment score has spiked to plus 0.09, with a momentum of plus 1.20? This is a significant jump from our historical baseline, indicating a surge in optimism among businesses that you won't want to overlook. Our API returns detailed insights that help you understand the underlying sentiment, breaking it down into 17 semantic clusters. This means you can pinpoint specific areas driving this momentum, allowing you to react strategically. For instance, if you're building a predictive model for investment strategies, this spike could signal a great time to explore sectors that are currently gaining traction. Dive deeper into this insight and leverage our API to enhance your decision-making. Check out the documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.